Tralalero, tralala.
Hello guys, welcome to my first video in this AI series. Today I'll show you a free text-to-image generator that gives unlimited credits and is uncensored. Most popular tools online are paid, limited, and censored. This one isn't. Check the link in the description to try it. Open the tool, click Connect, then Play. Once launched, click Advanced to access extra settings.
Tralalero, tralala.
Enter your prompt to generate an image. I won't show NSFW content here, but you can. You can adjust quality or speed, select aspect ratio, number of images, image type, negative prompts, and styles. I'll keep defaults mostly and generate 4 images. Click Generate. With speed selected, it will be quick.
Tralalero, tralala.
Look at the images. The quality is amazing. You can see progress, view, or skip images anytime. This tool is super useful, and I'll post more videos soon. For more AI tools like this, visit AI tools4u.ai.